Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to download and install Rocket Money app. If you don't have a Rocket Money account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. To start, open the App Store by tapping on it. On the search bar, type in and search for Rocket Money. Next, tap on the download icon, or get option. Once the download is finished, tap on Open. If you already have an account, tap on Login. Otherwise, tap on Create Account. Since we already have an account, we will log in now. First, enter your email address. Then tap on Continue. Next, enter your password. Then tap on Sign In. Once logged in, you will be asked to set up multi-factor authentication to secure your account. To set up, tap on Get Started. Now, select an authentication method. Tap on the option you wish to select. Next, enter your phone number. This will be used for the authentication. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then tap on Continue. Lastly, you will be asked to enable notifications. To proceed, tap on Continue. That's how you download and install Rocket Money app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.